us welcome the Chair of the Commission on Vocation of CPCP, no other than His Excellency, Most Reverend Roberto Correntaib Gaa P.
As a community, as a congregation, we need to listen to other congregations as well. What are the best practices? But it will really depend on you. What will you imbibe? What will you take in? And maybe, what will you set aside as maybe not effective for you? It will really depend on you. Okay? So, we need to gather data, we need to make a survey, and it will focus on new members.
We will see totoo nga ba o ano ang kalagayan natin sa loob ng community. Meron bang support ang mga promoters ng Converse sa loob ng seminary?
Maria, 17 years as a priest. Dahil napagtulungan ako, binuli ako.
Today we gather with joy and of course hope for this historic moment, the first ever National Conference for Religious Vocation Rectors and Directresses of the Philippines. Maraming salamat sa mga officers ng PBP. Kasama ba ako dun sa officer?
Group number 6!
Ngayon sa Day Walang Rest Day.
Have you thought of becoming a Vincentian priest or brother? Join us. For those interested to join, you may send a message to Vincentian Vocation Congregation of the Mission and Daughters of Charity Facebook page, Vincent Connect Facebook page, vincentconnects@gmail.com, the Vocation Director mobile number 091777743569 or landline number 7700434441 and 700773552.